In this video, we will see some most interesting GK questions. Where is International Cricket Council located? Australia, England, India, Dubai. Your time starts now. The answer is Dubai. International Literacy Day is observed on August 2nd, September 8th, February 14th, October 2nd. Your time starts now. The answer is September 8th. What is the other name of the vegetable bell pepper? Brinjal, beans, capsicum, tomato. Your time starts now. The answer is capsicum. Which animal blood is in blue color? Jellyfish, octopus, rabbit, sloths. Your time starts now. The answer is octopus because it contains a protein called hormocyanin. Which animal emits pink color sweat? Hippo, crocodile, elephant, bullfrogs. Your time starts now. The answer is hippo. What color shade is Arolin? Blue, black, red, yellow. Your time starts now. The answer is yellow. When was first lift installed in India? 1892, 1885, 1880, 1889. Your time starts now. The answer is 1892. The first elevator in India was installed in 1892 by Otis at Raj Bhavan, Kolkata. What is the scientific name of the animal kangaroo? Macropus, Toripus, Kivia? None of this. Your time starts now. The answer is Macropus. What is the king of birds in the world? Peacock, eagle, parrot? None of this. Your time starts now. The answer is eagle. Philippines eagle is also known as king of birds. Which bird never sits on the tree? Penguin, cuckoo, hen, pigeon. Your time starts now. The answer is pigeon. For more interesting GK questions, please subscribe to this channel.